pay ebika ho me koni se kontonkro solo oyinini ama kranchada of mami premeni me no pes makani anopay me kenkai kasebo no ede amamu yen nyina ye nim se bro nyabosome ne de to sonson Ghana de hyebe so de anopa ato abako imra hyebedwafo ene ye mampanyina wo ba bedi anim mfinhia enan emo National Commission for Civic Education wono mu aye interparty dialogue e wo bromantam no mu kro wanchim na woni sentwafo twetwen komo orapita kwabenagesi ya ono ye deputy bunu regional director edema NCC en wakasai se ehu hia se yen nyina be de betun bia dan titu ne amanyofo na ya boy asumdwe ehun ban ba me ani adawo na afia bato aye beto no bibia so bedemu etoten
se pa na akoso ewenchi mainsinimu ni na ne se ya beta ko bia ya tuni di se IPDC na se interparty dialogue committee na madie ba ko NCC as a commission anaso pa titimra ye bontoa na ya totoaba na interparty dialogue committee no kubia ya fefe amaniku no ene various stakeholders in society from eminent personalities omudeshia na ya forms ha kunsen ne be ya onda bua na abatu a ye beti be ya sindie interparty dialogue meeting no itisi ne se ebia ye bontoa akotoa bai ebia na mentin ho ase kakadi misunderstandings bi analysis disagreements bi aba political parties muntam
Enwache ojam treni di ma committee ni Reverend Dr. Dan Lance wonu su gina members no anemu kasa se obedu obetumi bia so obeyere kokko aboa mafia bato na sumdwe abemu
peace dia ya dia ho anti set ya never say so na bizet Ukraine me animi yet national level we say peace once a month na seminar kesha asem na ali na abudu tisenya kwambia se be promote peace ya I was saying, what's it?
Yet, so I can see a bono eso or the road traffic legislative instruments for aquacotum rashebe fimu, Nano Nababeto just said, and nay, Sai Mere wa jitum we pet, and Rashebe Fiachame, or may temboa for penny, and him Rashebe for Sadi, Sissy Castle, Nadia obey me, Eddie Shossi, one castle, Nasami and Ura, Haruna Idrisu, says Sanga. Send unti na Ghana no aye won ye nyina nipa de na nso wawura no bi wo wa wo mu hia wo man no papa te se mampani na be de achie mra hye bedwafie chiame na fe wo man tembuafo pani na ye nyina ekwa akodi traffic mu sa de no be de na boa ti sansam no aye aba beto ho a ye bobo hu sa na ye hwe ne ye papa.
I labored to catch your eye before you invited the minister to lay the important regulations on road traffic. Speaker, I was doing so for two reasons. One, I have a copy, I have perused, even though it's now been laid. And Right Honorable Speaker have been taken off the list of those who can use motor siren. Mr. Speaker, in America, there is never what we call, you avoid a constitutional interregnum. Assuming there is a crisis in Ghana, that a president has to be sworn in, and the speaker has to be taken from somewhere to where he has to swear in the president. By this provision, Mr. Speaker, we are not personalizing it. It's not Honorable Alban Sumana Bagbin. It's the Speaker of Ghana's Parliament.
Enwache onmonyamfo Alexander Kwamena Fenyoma Kenzia wono eye majority leader so edibitu so awaka senukranie ebetuma kohofo ha kura de aba semra hyebedwafo be so de anopase e ba djuma eye ne to de bia na akwakoye eniema bebre enti no saade we so esempedifo sawe biewu.
I think that
as a house, we have to be very consistent. We have to be very consistent. Members of parliament cannot always run away when there's an issue regarding their welfare and turn round to demand same right. And to say sadly, today, sadly, this is affecting you. When the instrument originally was laid, there was a pre-laying. Members of parliament made inputs. At the end of the day, we left the learned professor, Dr. Dominic Ayeni, in the cooler. Politicians are always in a rush to protect their heads when there's crisis. But sometimes we can have a collective fall. You know the challenges we face.
The cra and a penny power of your papa are banking for Sumano Barbing will be in common.
I don't want to use the word be bold, but as far back as 1995, I was able to lead the House to reject an instrument. We got the over 2/3 majority to reject an instrument. That was the first parliament that you people were referring to as a rubber stamp parliament. But we were able to do so. And I was then a member of the government of the day. But I was chair of the Statutory Legislation Committee after Honorable Cletus Avoka. He was then made Deputy Minister of State.
Frank Crawford, Dima APC, Dr. Hassan Ayarga, Emra Wakoi, Reverend Dr. Samuel Walanyo Mensa, say we no me ni tua pem. Na wa mumpre nkonumdie afie abatsoa ye ba betunumu and crime. Reverend Mensa ne da asode a friend why Christ White Chapel International. Dr. Ayarga say de enti a wayi no yade a obetimi aboa no sanse we obi a efini dembia de nimu na no soma okutamu no so di hu nipa.
Of the running mate. He is a professional person with expertise in economics, research, leadership, born in Butuku, North Dine District from the Volta region. To Mr. Cephas Mensa and Madame Cecilia Atukuma, he hails from the Kajaji royal clan of Butuku, Nzile, with a strong academic background in accounting, economics, development, and theology. Dr. Mensa has held various roles, including one, technical advisor to the Ministry of Trade and Industry and the African Continental Free Trade Area 2022. 2, economist and research fellow at the Institute of Chartered Economics of Ghana. 3, head pastor, man of God, a man of God, man of God. So no corruption, no corruption, no corruption. APC.
Jitao, ebusuafo papa Hassan Ayarga no na so wada o say the Ghana for Gina Tumusi to abama ne pe and your father's bro Ghana he nyina obegu no sanse no so ka ho na ya na me esidi no atia kogu say twon ti se towura ya enye no afani ma bia ye krari fra kwasko kokro mu bati se nuane ne ade nyina da eno so besim pampim ya wo makwa me ma ne tumi aye de ne duduo mu na tumi aboa ye ni.
I, Reverend Dr. Samuel Walanyo Mensa.
I want to hear your name again, sir.
Reverend Dr. Samuel Walanyo Mensa.
Do hereby agree and accept.
Do hereby agree and accept
my appointment to become the vice presidential candidate of Dr. Hassan Ayarga and the entire All People's Congress in Ghana.
My appointment to become the great running mate to the defundable Dr. Hassan Ayarga for the 2024 general elections.
APC. That I hereby in humility pledge.
That I pledge in all humility.
In total commitment.
With total commitment.
Love. And the fear of God.
And the fear of God.
To uphold. the integrity
accordingly
to the constitution of our land Ghana and the constitution of our vibrant political party APC I again
Allah wallahi and your first lady in Sujan Che. Hey, 2024, same so I can't hear you. No. Ono so de de beba yo yes ya kutia biada enim ni wura o His Excellency John Dramani mama so na mprobo mu ya woton ne ho de a kire Ghana fo na asem ode aba betu dwa wo kirem se na no wanya ne ntie se papa ba omi akoka se e ka ni bi wo ho na se koye second hand car pa dia ne fro no ya na na de etiatua ho nyame anya wadom na ebi kosan wo na wo ana ekwo wo ba bia wo bebere yie papa ti se second hand car pa na nkasare nare esi wade kona kwafro brand new tie rubber na no ne betumi so e de aboa wo na semi ye okokan ye ena papa John Dramani mama so akogina Sini East ena wo tomane no se car mono no so bi wo ho a nye na home use for card ye Ghana fo maji atuma atwa mahu se home use no e bi ho den panso echen ka edada no kasoa odi kro poto so enu wo ewustu senya East ena Dr. Laji Momudu Kwabraji Manyansa container mpim nsia wonu so kogina ho ane wotutu eburumu eno se da o clear se wonu be mampani abedi akire na wo de tutu mampani dada ma ama so no ye mampani abedi akira obi ankere de oyeye ono ba omia wo se ma niema mako aduasa mensa 33 obetumi de nsesi susu otumi aye na de aboa wo men wo bra na wo ye mampani abedi akire papa mahama so enkere bra na wo ye abedi akire no be ye mampani nyina de ono sutumi ye won fa ne sense susu sen na so ni nyina mu no papa mahama oyiya no
na me nyame ka ne se obi ana oka ho ai che se omode ye man basa yetimu akohwe ase no yesi yesanfa si anoma omo no omo koso entwi sa baso na odi yekọ bibia yekọ na obi se on the yetuma na obeye tie rubber president say president for na obi so yetuma na obeye home second hand I just used a driver na ni American say mefu me yefu e wosrem no tractor me no ba ko ye Ford e dada electric bi ni ho ena makoto ba ko so foforo eno de ne bibia ye electronic na say ya this what the efidie bi beto so na fi be frɛ obroni na otom ma me no na obehwe ansa no etimi aye ni ye enso Ford no so dada no se bibia enche ho a mechanic fo bi wo ho omba ya sese ano mo sese na eye adwuma sa tractor mienu e omu se we boy den chen dada no enso dada no bo adwuma ma me e chen foforo no
na chese no so edie eno no mrashebejo faja tum America dollars wo pipia he no aduonum ena World Bank specia ode ba bebo adwuma so ewo awonene asoye enimo na wo sha long way eyade a wo se eba abebo apanye de di kan e ko mrashebejo fiemu ni ejebo wanya koja tum na wo kire se ehutuo bi wo ho a America dollars wo pipia do krona na dom ketwa no se emu owira mododo esododo tikabe ya yenya adaje ne amfichiri mu ankasa
Honorable members, I put the question. Those in favor of the adoption of the reports, say aye. Those against, say no. Honorable members, the ayes have it. The report is accordingly adopted by the House.
Ye kase bono na penipa bi a waredare ya ebeka so a TVET expert and waka say Dr. George Mausi Afeti say ekwane a ye faswa ya ye nsɔhwɛ no lazy man approach na kyese kwadwudwuma kra odi asɛm to dwasa West Africa Examination Council kwan a ofaso no wɔhyehyɛ nsɔhwɛ ma Ghana de hye ne mabunu atwuro bie no kwadwudwuma obi kɔtoro nsɔhwɛ na wanimu nkunimu a ɛno nkyerɛ sɛ ɛne wɔnyaade wɔde nsɛm bebree ɛne wɔde to dwa ɛde fa TVET ɛne kwan a yɛfaso a yɛtwerɛ yɛn nsɔhwɛ no ɛho
has a very important role to play in producing the sort of technical human resource that the country needs to add value to our natural resources. I'm not too sure that we are training this kind of technical people yet, because there are three things that a good technical education system must have. One, quality. Quality is how well the skills acquired are fit for purpose. That's quality. I'm not sure we are there yet. And then there's relevance. And relevance is about how the skills acquired can be used by buyers of skills.
Dr. Mausi Aveti esuna mi jina na media no pano nsia kase boedi aba na wieye 21st clinic guswada edi South African tour no baso enu ti wi obi asiatica ya komato fomu a WhatsApp so na abefa na dia bookings 0244195116 OCP fertilizer boama nananom a odua tosode ene ho ne nyina enei wo twa ne nkonomu akoton enye sikabum bia eton agrochemicals unie mebia merofo bowura mu na koje odi 0345909437 Santia Boa Benedict na esemu for penny Sonic Kasebo isokroje de ma mekuko Veronica Jando ene betre vidie na chi Azuka Shadrack ene ewuranum bi na bo adwuma ewo MCR ho de emame ohinini amakrancha dozo a wosof mame premei ni asantemai ajime atumu mame defofro Papa Amesa Yamama Chibim